Captain.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good.
I'm good.
We've left Fitzroy Island and we are slowly motoring into Cairns. We have obviously not been here before, so we'll just have to get in there and work out where we're going to anchor, and apparently opposite the marina or something.
Yeah, check out our anchoring apps. We've got apps for everything these days, so we've got one that shows us where, well, we've got two actually, probably, No Foreign Land and Zulu, which show us the anchorage points and a little bit of detail on the anchorage, so it's always handy to know where you're going.
She wants some pretzels or a drink, I don't know. I think it's been a, there you go, it's been a bit of a morning. Oh, they've been at bathing, just longer than expected, I think, with the...
well, it's about an hour,
journey.
I suppose.
Yeah.
We're just motoring at a 5.5 knots, I suppose.
Yeah.
So sort of just cruisy Saturday morning, slow start to the day, hour motor into Cairns, we'll get in, have a shower.
Yeah, it's a beautiful Cairns. Apparently all the cruise ships, everything coming out. It's quite a busy channel, so port, so that'd be pretty cool to watch all that stuff. Hopefully we'll see a cruise ship while we're here. That'd be pretty cool.
Australia's up from Southport. The Mike Palmer's boat, he's just waiting to come in, so he must have followed us up. He was there when we left.
He was, that's right.
So no doubt he may or may not be on board, but the crew's just bringing it up here.
Who knows what they're doing? They always seem to move around. They got stranded on some sandbanks at Southport as well, which is it's easy enough to do because there's so many of them.
Especially about that side.
Yeah. Hey, this is the insanity that we deal with, because there'll be lights that'll flash around from reflections off everything, which it's a bit hard to avoid when you're on the water, but we'll have a shower, we'll go have a bit of a wander. We've got to get a couple of little bits and pieces from the shop today, and then we'll make a thorough list to reprovision tomorrow. I've got a doctor's appointment on Monday, and then we'll get the heck back out of there, man.
Yeah, Green Island Tuesday.
Yeah, sounds good.
And depending on weather, I'd probably like to go a bit further out into the reef. So.
Yeah, that's just a good starting point, Green Island, to be honest. Alright, see you in Cairns, man.
Okay, see ya.
Oh, the big American warship is leaving. We're just hanging out in Cairns, getting a few bits and pieces done, and look out, and here we see the big warship. Oh, and Hudson's spotting planes. She loves the planes. Oh, what a gorgeous day here in Cairns, honestly. There goes the pilot boat, guiding them out. I think they were hanging out on the cruise ship terminal for a little while, so yeah, there's obviously limited time they can be there before the cruise ship comes in. So, geez, it's a big beast, isn't it? Wow, how cool! Got a tug behind it as well. Oh, there's two Australian ones still down there that you probably can't see, but this is the Yankee one. Tug is tied off backwards to it. It's like just being dragged out. I don't know if it's trying to slow it down or what it's trying to do, but yeah, it's pretty cool. She's a beast. Hi.
What are we doing here? We missed the good part. We've just done a shop, and when we usually do a shop, it's a big shop. Lasts us about
Probably
4 6 weeks.
4 to 6 weeks, yeah. And that's not us being conservative either. I mean, we hadn't shopped properly. When we bought stuff, we were buying a lot of pre-made stuff. So you basically you use it once, it's 1 meal, it's gone. Whereas now we're starting to make things from scratch that last for a bit longer. So.
Please excuse the noise in the background. Just got some music on for Hudson.
As always, she likes her music.
So what are you doing here?
I'm making my muesli for the morning. So just rolled oats, a bunch of like fruit, nuts, seeds, a bit of coconut. Because I used to have eggs all the time for breakfast, which I love, but I'm trying a few different things. So this will last much longer. We can't get eggs when we're traveling very often. So this is going to last for ages, and you really don't need much of it. And it's better to have like raw ingredients, I think. I'm trying to cut out a lot of processed stuff. And yeah, obviously things that last long, do you know what I mean? We can make this is going to last for months, stuff. Better for us as well. So yeah, this is my breakfast. I got chia seeds, so I can do chia pods in the morning as well, because breakfast is my favourite meal. So I used to make quite elaborate breakfast where I'd do eggs and avocado, and you know, they were like gourmet breakfasts.
I have toast.
So I do like my breakfast. It's usually my biggest meal of the day, so I do need something that's going to be a bit more substantial than I was having cornflakes for the past few days, because we were out of eggs, and it's like, this is just not quite cutting it.
In fact, I don't have toast, I have coffee.
Yeah, usually you do have coffee, you're right. Yeah, so anyway, and I'm starting to use containers more. That's another thing. We usually just leave everything, you know, use it, leave it in bags, put pegs on it or whatever, and it just doesn't stay as fresh. So we find we throw stuff out too, so things that may have lasted us longer don't. It's been laziness because, you know, we have the containers, we have stuff, we just have to get better at using it. So Hudson's been very helpful this morning, helping me pack everything away and all the storage.
So we've got storage under here, and we've got storage under the lounge all the way around there, storage downstairs on the lounges, and storage here.
Yeah.
All for food. So we've never ever
run out.
Close to filling it up.
Like we've never run out of
But mind you, we in the future we will, I feel.
Yeah, there's a potential we'll run out when we're over.
Yeah, when we're shopping for months instead of weeks.
Yeah. But mind you, we can put a lot of stuff downstairs too, so...
Hello Hudson, what are you doing? You're playing with your toys? Yeah? Playing with your blocks and your squares. Oh no, let's not get a book out at the moment. We're busy doing stuff. Daddy will read the book in a little while, okay? Just listen to your music.
Yeah, I think I miscalculated the amount of coconut. Alright?
I feel.
Let's go to the next size.
Alright, so we'll restart the kettle water, get that.
Yeah, we'll do that today. So that's why we've got a lot of oranges, and they feed off sugar, so the kefir likes the sugar, so we have to fill it.
And it's like, it's not the right word, decomposes. So in actual fact, when you drink the kefir water, there is no sugar in it.
No, it eats the sugar and uses that to ferment. Yeah, that's right. That's a good word. But yeah, so and I've got a lot of slices and protein snacks and things we're going to make, because what we used to do was get a bag of twisties and we would eat the twisties, and obviously again we're trying to...
It's got all your major food groups, the twisties.
Well, we're trying to do things that we can get the ingredients for no matter where we are in the world.
Okay, well if you're reading a story to us, Hudson, we'll have to turn the music down a little bit.
Yeah,
it's quite noisy. Don't know where the thing is.
Yeah, so...
Hudson's into her reading, but she just doesn't have a volume control at the moment.
We have a gigantic vomit on the couch.
Oh, we have a vomit on the couch?
Oh my gosh! We're having a good time here.
What's in that? What's in that?
I don't know.
Don't worry, it's not Hudson's, it's the dog's.
No, the dog, yeah.
Boo Boo, usually you eat your vomit. What's going on, mate?
Oh, look at his face. He's sheepish. There's something.
Give me a look.
Something awry.
Why are you hiding up here? What's going on? Did you do a vomit? Oh no, he's been eating Hudson's pretzels that she had, so, you know.
Yeah.
I don't know what else he's been eating of hers. There's black stuff in there.
There's what?
I don't know. Boo Boo just spends his whole day walking around after Hudson, eating all her food that she doesn't eat. Almost looks like some tails or something, like as he got into something. Anyway.
Sultanas.
Or yeah, there's like stuff in there. Anyway, dog stuff. All right. Well, here we go. This is sort of typically what happens after we shop. Although we should have got the camera out a bit earlier and showed you all our treasures.
Oh, yeah.
From
And the special trolley we're now using to...
go into Cairns. They don't have trolleys here.
Great. No.
We'll let you work out why.
Well, there's no trolleys in the city.
Various other restrictions around alcohol purchases.
Mm-hmm.
But, so I had to go and buy myself a trolley to actually do the shopping. So, Hudson's using it. We're talking, but we're not talking to her.
Yeah, so anyway, we're trying to buy more things, raw ingredients.
Oh, I see the problem.
Basic ingredients.
The music's off. Hang on. Hang on, just hang on.
Wow.
There you go. Okay, off there, man. Off the nav table. This is not the place for you, Hudson. That's not your iPad. That is the boat's iPad. Oh, see, that's no good because this is not yours, mate.
Oh my goodness. Oh, well, okay. Hudson, what are you doing up there? Is that allowed? Just yeah.
No, it's definitely not. Oh, I've got to fix that up.
I know. I've just moved the.
All right. Well, I think we'll have to turn the camera off because.
There's definitely pretzels in that.
Oh, definitely.
He's been stealing them. Boo boo. Oh goodness. Anyway,
No
the basis of my whole conversation that I have not got to yet was because we're trying to buy raw basic ingredients that we can get anywhere, that we can store and buy in massive amounts to create lots of different foods. So not, a bag of twisties that you open and have as a snack. We can make different types of slices and different types of, protein and fruit balls and all sorts of stuff like that. So we can buy that in bulk, like we can buy heaps of, the raw ingredients rather than
she's
a
off
product.
She's off the nav table now. The dog's here.
It's a tag team around here, honestly. There's not a second of sanity. So anyone who's going to come crew with us, which we're going to be looking for very soon, probably in the next couple of months, we're looking for crew to join us. This is
some
what you
lucky person.
It's not going to be I'm going to sit in silence and enjoy the sunsets. You will be dealing with the crazy boo-boo who just wants pats and cuddles and kisses. And then you'll be dealing with Hudson who will just want your attention all the time too. You're trying to... Oh, what are you doing, boo-boo? Why? Do you want a pat? Oh, see? This is what you get. Wants a pat.
See, Hudson's getting a pat now. He has to have a pat. They don't want a pat off me, though.
Shake your hands.
Oh, boo, come on, mate. Shush. Okay, alright, well...
Right, I'm going to keep trying to pack up and
I'll look
make
after Hudson and entertain Hudson and... Okay.
Bye.
Say bye-bye, Hudson.
Bye. Say bye. She's like, hang on.
Oh, hang on, where you go?
Bye.
Bye, boo-boo. Boo-boo saying bye. Okay, here we are, just tied up to the dock here in Cairns. Plenty of dinghies. Popular spot. Beautiful day. Beautiful Jess. Cute little restaurants, there's old trawlers here. Very cute. Hopefully we'll find a garbage bin for our rubbish. Anyway, we'll take a video a bit more as we walk around.
So here we are at the Marlin Marina. We are not staying at the Marlin Marina, we are anchored just outside. However, the facilities and accessibility for anyone travelling here via water, not just to stay in the marina, are so cool. That is a public dinghy wharf that anyone can tie off to at any time of the day. It's usually quite busy, as you could imagine, but there is water on the dock. Yeah, it's just a really, really welcoming place if you are travelling via the water, which is not as common as you might think. Across from the marina, you've you've got a huge restaurant precinct. This is just one of the restaurants, the Salt House. We attempted to enjoy a relaxing beer and meal here, but with a toddler that is never ever relaxing. We walk down here, there's a little bit more of the marina there. You can see the break wall in the distance. That's actually the yacht club, so that's the Cairns Yacht Club, that little shed there. And that's their ramp. That's a private access for them only, and they have their own private little wharf down there too that no one can use except for them. But yeah, these facilities are just so cool. You walk around the corner and this is the waterfront. Well, I know it doesn't look like a waterfront at the moment. The tides are quite big and it does turn to mud. So swimming here is not really a thing that you do, mainly because of the crocodiles as well as that mud. So they've put in this beautiful lagoon. It is huge. It's even got sand beach entry. It is free, so anyone can come here and it is never not packed. There are always people in here. It's such a great facility considering, you know, it's always so hot up here and you can't actually swim in the water. So to have this right on your waterfront is pretty cool. We are in love with the facilities here, so highly recommend Cairns, guys. You should definitely come for a visit, and especially if you're coming via the water. So we're currently anchored in the Trinity Inlet, and that is one of the busiest inlets I've ever seen. This port is full on. There are cruise ships coming a couple times a week. As you can see, one that came through by the day. This was it leaving in the middle of the night. Pretty spectacular sight. There are all sorts of border force boats coming here. You've got warships coming in and out. They do have some really cool facilities in regards to maintaining all of these very important boats. So yeah, very, very busy. Funnily enough, not much wake though, which is really cool. So yeah, we're enjoying all the action. It's not usually what we're used to. It's usually pretty quiet, but yeah, this is quite cool to watch. Hey guys, we just thought we'd jump on and do a quick update. At the time we made this actual video, our intentions were to come into Cairns for a couple of weeks to maybe a month, get everything sorted to head north. We had our routine health checks, which we would normally do every year, as well as if we're planning to leave the country. And unfortunately, during those health checks, the doctor discovered a couple of issues that he wants to investigate further with myself. So, kind of put our plans on hold indefinitely at the moment. So yeah, so we'll probably...
These young'uns.
I know, right?
Don't build them like they used to.
No, I know. If we thought anyone was going to be dealing with things, it would have been you old fart. But no, it's me.
Tough as nails.
Oh, they're bulletproof, eh? Yeah, so anyway, so look, we've got a fairly long road ahead with a lot of procedures and, you know, further investigations, scans, appointments, follow-ups, all that sort of stuff. So at the moment we are going to hang in Cairns until further notice, and hopefully we'll still be able to make it across to Indonesia this season. If not, there's always next year, but yeah, we might do a whole episode, I think, just on this medical stuff, you know, maybe depending on how it turns out, I suppose, whether I'm going to want to talk about it or not. But yeah, anyway, we just thought we'd give everyone an update.
Well, it'll be newsworthy either way.
Well, that's true. Yeah, we'll either be great and let's keep going, or okay, now we're on a different journey for a little while. But anyway, guys, yeah, we just thought we'd keep you updated.
Yep, and we'll keep you updated.
Yes, see you guys soon. Thank you for watching, and please support us by clicking the subscribe button below.